I am. We're so glad you're here.
That's what we're doing. Yeah, we're here.
We've been going crazy in our lab, but we need
Lots of
you
things.
to have some fun with us. So,
Yes.
what are we doing today?
Today we are talking all about when God created the land. And you know, when he created the land, he created rocks, paper,
Scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper. No.
Oh, I did. Okay. All right. Ready?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, tied. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my goodness.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I
Oh,
win.
okay, we're done.
We're back.
She's a winner.
I am. This is true. Thanks for acknowledging it.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Okay, anyway,
right.
we're talking about when God created the land, which includes
Yes.
rocks and
Rocks.
mountains and, you know, all
Rocks.
the landy things. Rocks.
Rocks. I love rocks. I used to
love rock and roll.
collect rocks as a kid.
Oh, that's cool.
And you know what?
What?
I think we should do an experiment because we're in our lab.
We totally should. What experiment should we do?
So, I think if we're talking about rocks, every kid loves candy.
Pop rocks.
Rocks and candy.
Yes.
Rock.
Rock candy?
Is that a thing?
That's a thing.
Rock
We can make
candy.
rock candy.
Let's
Let's
make rock candy. Okay. But I need
Yes.
some help.
Okay. We need things.
We need things.
We need all the
And I
things.
need you to be the
Getter of the
thing.
things.
Yeah, the getter.
The getter.
Go get her.
I will go get them.
Okay. Bye.
I got the things.
Oh, hey, you're the thingy getter.
Yes.
You got the thingies.
Yes.
Oh, and we got some sugar. Hey, grab a seat. Welcome to the lab. What shall I call you?
Dr. Bellbaum.
Oh, Dr. Fellabaum. Is that your last name?
No.
Fellabaum?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, who are you? I mean, you are part of our Kid Talk Kids, and we have friends coming in to help us with these science experiments. And
Yes.
you're Dr. Fellabaum. What grade did you just finish?
4th.
So you're going to 5th grade.
Yes.
Well, welcome, Doctor.
I hope to get my doctor's degree in college.
Oh, well, perfect. Well, let's just go ahead and make some rock candy.
All right.
All right. Okay, so we've got our things, and we're gonna need. Well, hey, Miss Ashley, are you still around anywhere in here? Because I think we need some
Water.
water.
Hot
like
water.
cold water?
No, hot water.
Hot water coming
Oh,
right up.
hot.
Hey,
Hey,
we
we got it. Hot.
Oh,
You
we
know
got
that
it.
song?
Yep.
Yeah. What's it from?
No clue.
Polar Express.
Oh, we got it! Hey, we got it! Say, we got it!
Oh.
Oh,
yes.
it's not Christmas time.
I'm not. My brain is not
Ooh,
working.
wow, that is hot.
Yeah.
How about you hold the beaker here?
Okay.
We're going to first pour this boiling hot water into here. Okay, I don't want to burn you. Yeah, take that thing out. Ready? Move your leg, maybe. Can you see the steam? Ooh, it is hot water. Oh, I think I probably put too much in here. Ooh.
It'll be.
Is it? Are we sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, he says we're gonna be okay. So, what do we do next?
We need to get a popsicle stick,
Popsicle stick.
but put the sugar in.
Okay,
first.
sugar, rock candies. You gotta have sugar. We love sugar. All right.
all they're
Why
made of.
don't you do it? They're only made of sugar. Take some spoonfuls and put them in.
Oh.
One. Oh, yep. That's
Whoa.
okay. Keep going. We make messes in our lab
we
here.
go.
Oh. Okay. Keep going. Oh, and I got a spoon here. Let's maybe just try a few of those. You said we're fine here, right?
Should be fine.
Okay. We're fine, guys. Everything's fine here. Everything's fine in our lab. He
Going
says.
according to plan.
It's all
Totally.
going according to plan. I think we need a lot more sugar. Put some more in. More sugar? Who agrees? More sugar? Yes.
And it
Oh,
broke.
and you broke it. It's okay. We're having a great time. More sugar. Oh, okay. Let me just keep
Okay.
stirring. Okay, put another one in. Let's keep going. Oh, yes. More sugar. Rock candy. Rock candy.
Rock candy.
Okay, keep going. Keep going, boy. Let's put like one more. Oh, yes. I love sugar. Okay, we're gonna stop. Okay. Boiling hot water. Now
Okay.
what do we do?
Now we put the popsicle stick in.
Okay, you do it. You show them. Put a popsicle stick in, and then
And
to
then we need
hold
2
it
more.
up, we need to just do this, right?
Yep.
Okay. So just put that right there. Oh, that's fine. We'll
Okay.
just have a little bit of rock candy,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, I like it. I like it. So now we wait.
Yeah. For about 3 days.
We'll see you in 3
3
days.
3 days later.
Huh? What?
We've been waiting for 3 days.
Rock candy?
Yeah.
I love candy.
Rock
Oh.
candy.
Oh, is it ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it out.
All right.
Oh, it looks delicious.
Uh-huh.
Would you like some?
No.
Oh, well, I made you a second one
Okay.
if you would like.
Yes.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh, ow,
Oh.
ow, oh, ow. Very sugary. You know, we put a lot of sugar on these
Yeah.
things. And, oh, that's a lot of sugar. Oh, I'm gonna have a tummy ache. Well, guys, I may not feel very good, but you know what makes me feel good?
More.
Is to be reminded on this day when God created rocks, land, all the things, that He created rocks.
Rocks.
And He created really rocks for rocks' sake, right?
Yeah.
But you know what? I've had so much sugar over the last few days. But you know what? What God created us for as well is to go be a sweet blessing to other people.
Yep.
Just like this rock candy. See ya.
See ya.